So you've watched some of these videos on YouTube by this channel, the AI Automators, and you're wondering if their community is any good. So I thought I'd do a quick review of the community, give my thoughts as a community member, and right for you. Okay, so I just thought I'd first of all go through a pros and cons list. So these are the pros that I think about the community, right? So you have engaged instructors, right? So they're always in the course, right, and giving you help whenever you need it. So I really find it does help that there's two of them as well, because there's two of them involved, so that one of them can jump in. And some of these other courses and communities, there's usually one person doing it, so it's often a lot of work. I know myself because I'm running a course as well. It's a ton of work to try to do your own YouTube videos and run a course and community. So I think that's a really good point. They are very engaged and very knowledgeable, and they are also very up to date, right? So they're keeping up to date with the latest in technology. They know a ton of stuff. So one of the things, you don't want to be learning off somebody who's, not informed or not at your level, is like if you really want to learn new stuff, then this is a good community. The next thing, they have live calls, right? So this is super important for getting to know the people in the community, right? So I've been in many communities, make money online, all that type of communities, and joining the calls is a great way for people to get to know you, a little bit. I haven't joined many calls in this community yet, but I hope at some point I will. So there is a good community, and the people seem to know a lot as well, in a wide variety of different niches as well, which is great. So you get the make.com systems. I guess that's kind of one of the selling points, isn't it? You watch one of the videos and then you're like, oh crap, I need to buy this community to get the system right. And yeah, that is great that you can get the system templates right. Really, really good. Pro, yeah. So, and some of the cons, right? So it is a little bit pricey, right? So some of these communities are expensive, right? So depends. It's all depend on your budget, I suppose. For some people, it might not be much. For some people, it might be a lot. So the next con is custom complexity. So what do I mean by that? Well, it's kind of the niche in general, I suppose. This AI and automation, especially like this automation and web scraping type of thing. It's almost like there's just like each problem could be, it needs an expert to go in there. So it's very difficult to learn, right? And well, I guess that's kind of a pro in a way. If you're offering this as a service, right, then you're always going to have work, because each problem is just that little bit different. This niche, as in the AI automation niche, I mean, it's blowing up on YouTube and everywhere, and I think it's for a reason, really. Especially as automation, you can sell it once, and then you can sell it on a retainer, right? And you say, well, the business owner doesn't know how to use it, and if it breaks, they're going to need an expert like you. So really, if you're providing a service-based business, right, service-based business, and you want to sell this, really good. But then that kind of brings me to the last point. It's kind of related to the complexity, right? It's difficult stuff. I'm finding it a little bit difficult sometimes because I'm not that technical, right? I've never done web scraping or any of these automations before, so it makes it a little bit difficult for me. But the courses there are good. It's easy to learn, right? And you have good instructors, so that is super helpful. So I'll just show you inside the platform here what it looks like. So I really like what they've done here. So you've got the home section and automations here. So you can just download all the systems that you see in the YouTube videos and stuff like that. Right, you have the community, and this is kind of where you ask questions. So you have like live calls here. You just need to join there. I like this pop-up, the way it looks. I think this is circle. It looks really, really good. You get the weekly events, the live recordings, right? And then all the different automation, the system templates. And there's, I think this is well organized, to be honest, because, maybe there's a smaller template, right? And you even have community members giving, little videos as well. I really like to see that people are getting engaged. You've got the courses, you've got a jobs board, right? I didn't even know that actually, that there's a jobs board. So I think that could be super helpful as well, because people need different help. A lot of people in here are business owners, right? So overall, I definitely recommend joining this community. I'll leave a link down in the description and the first comment if you want to join. That is an affiliate link, so I will earn a commission if you join. But thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and reviews about AI marketing and